Hello, my name is Robert Pound and I am a product technologist for Quest. In this video, we'll be discussing Toad DevOps Toolkit Data Compare. Toad DevOps Toolkit is a Windows application that allows you to reliably execute Oracle database functions within the continuous integration platforms such as Jenkins, or Bamboo, or others. The Toad DevOps Toolkit supports access through a number of languages, but the focus of this video will be on PowerShell. It is assumed for this video that you have knowledge of PowerShell, continuous integration platforms like Bamboo and Jenkins, and an understanding of the Toad feature being discussed. There are several components to help you along your DevOps journey. The focus of this video will be the differences in tables using the Data Compare feature. It is helpful but not necessary to review the Compare Tables feature in Toad for Oracle as a reference when getting started. And you can also navigate to the example folder to view examples for the different features in the Toad DevOps Toolkit. If we look at the Compare Tables example in PowerShell, we can see it contains every example for the feature. But let's go ahead and switch over to a simple example so that we can walk through the basics. Before I begin, I just wanted to note that I'm using PowerShell 5.0 since that was the version that was used to create the examples. However, it's not necessary. And I am not using best coding practices for this script for clarity. At the top, I have the connection information, including the database and schema and the connection strings. And the first thing we do is create a new COM object called toad.toadAutoObject. This is starting the Toad DevOps Toolkit process. And next, we will add the connection information to the object for both the source and the target. Now we will set some parameters for the multi-table compare. In this case, we're making the source schema and connection available, as well as the target connection and schema, and we've named them appropriately. And for the comparison, we're adding a single table, OW orders. And we designate the folder where the comparison will be sent. And finally, the sync mode. So a sync mode of 0 syncs everything immediately. We want to go ahead and create the script so that we can review it, which is sync mode of 1. And finally, once we have all the parameters set, we execute the comparison. And as a matter of housekeeping, we go ahead and quit, so that way the process stops. So if we take a look at the temp folder, we will see several files. The master script is what runs the synchronization, and you can see it runs everything else. So it disables constraints and triggers, runs the update script, and then enables constraints and triggers. And real briefly, we can take a look at the single script. And as you can see in the file, it's running several inserts against the target table. And that's all I had to share. Hopefully this helped you understand a little bit better about table comparisons in Toad DevOps Toolkit. For more information on this topic, you can go to the help file by navigating to the Toad DevOps Toolkit and viewing the help file. You can also check out the community-driven innovation going on at www.toadworld.com. For more information on this product, you can go to www.quest.com/products/Toad DevOps Toolkit. Thank you and have a great day.